Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can stop receiving SMS when someone comments on your Facebook posts. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on menu. After that, select settings and privacy and then open settings from it. Next, select notifications and then open comments. Now, toggle off the button beside SMS and that's it. You will no longer receive an SMS about comments made on your Facebook posts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.